Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris and I'm with AWT Golf Carts. Man, it is a really hot day here in Houston today, and what better way to beat the heat than to cruise around in one of our advanced EV golf carts. These carts come packed with options, and just to name a few, this one, as you can see, has a 6-inch lift from the factory, giving it more ground clearance and a more aggressive look. And as you look over here, you can see the little brother. This is the way that they come without a lift. As you can also see, this has street tires, smaller wheels. This one has more aggressive all-terrain tires and larger wheels. Again, these are all options. These carts come with a Toyota motor that is backed by a 2-year factory warranty. They also come with a powder-coated frame, and the benefit behind that is that way over time the frame will not chip or fade. Other options include the digital speedometers, which makes things a little bit easier to read. You have different options in seating as far as colors, like this is buckskin, this is black. They also have gray as an option. There's many different colors available in these carts, from blue to red to orange to white to black and others. They also come with LED headlights and tail lights, also equipped with seat belts, making them street legal. The battery life will last you roughly 8 hours or 40 miles, whichever happens first. Now, once we get them, we can also put our own little touch on them. For instance, as you can see, this one has a rigid light bar, and then you see the custom decals that were put on by us here at AWT. And on this golf cart, you can see the rock lights. Those are kind of a real cool feature to be cruising down the beach or in your neighborhood at night. The other thing that we offer are the sound bars. We have different options that we can put on for you, but in this certain golf cart, we have the JBL soundbar, and they can be extremely loud. Let me see if I can pull up something for you.
Oh, 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 I'm bored, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm bored, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
So anyway, it's got some nice sound. Also, other things that we did on this golf cart is we did a Kevlar coating on the railing. It makes things a little bit easier to hold on to and also more durable. As well as the flares, we also Kevlar coated the flares and the push bar. Really, with us, the options are endless. You think it, we'll do it. Anyway, if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to leave them in the comments or give us a call at 713-682-1085 and speak to any of our salesmen who can direct you into the correct golf cart for your needs or can help you with customizing your own. Thank you very much for coming by, and we'll check you on the next run.